Welcome to Insider Financial. I am Alex Carlson, the editor-in-chief, and we're going to continue our weekly video series covering the hottest penny stocks. But first, let's do a little housekeeping issues. We are not financial advisors. This is not financial or investment advice. Always do your own research and make your own investment decisions. This is not an offer to buy, sell, or hold any securities. This video is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. With that out of the way, let's get started here. The first stock I want to cover is NWBO. We got our subscribers in last month. You can see here September 16th. Come over here to the chart. We were around between 60 and 70 cents. It's since run to 240. To give you the background, what's going on here is this has been a 13-year phase 3 study. We're finally going to get data. As they said, they will unblind, unveil, and announce finally the results of its 13-year-long phase 3 trial of DC-Vax for glioblastoma brain cancer. Now, the data has not been released yet. We are optimistic that the data is going to be strong, but our advice here is that if you got in early, this would be a wise area to start, take some money off the table, play with house money. If the data is good, this could easily be a $5, $10 stock. So we are very optimistic on NWBO, but you always have to trade with caution and look to protect yourself. So if you got in early, this would be a wise area to book some profits. Moving on, the next stock that we got our subscribers in last week that has done really, really well is CBBT. Let's go over here. You could always come to Insider Financial, search in this little box here for our latest coverage on any stock that you're interested in. So here it is, Sarabane Biotech PKG deal is a game changer. We wrote this up about 10 days ago. What you see here is most of our subscribers got in around the 0.002 cents area. Now we're up above almost 2.5 pennies, so this has been a nice big winner. What we're looking at here is there is a merger going to be happening with PKG. Before COVID, PKG was doing 21 million in revenues. Even this year, it still will do 14 million. Then we expect to return to pre-COVID levels next year. So right now, this is a momentum play. The dips have been rewarding our subscribers. So if you've been buying the dips on this one, that's been working out. The key is with penny stocks, a couple of things. Focus on what your style of trading is. Some people only want to play breakouts. Some don't like playing the breakouts. They look for buying the dips. So if there's a retracement or a sell-off, they like to come in on the second or third day. This works. Remember, nothing goes up in a straight line, nothing goes down in a straight line. So find what works for you. It's all about developing your trading style and focusing on what your personality is. With that being said, we put in a new high on Friday. We expect some continuation on Monday, but probably going to consolidate around here, maybe sell off a little bit before making another move higher. Going back to last week, what was working, and that's the key with penny stocks, is that you also have to understand what's working, what's not. Last week, we had a lot of low float runners, particularly Chinese play. The one that started the week was KXIN. And these are the types of plays we look for our subscribers. One way to play it is, it's just you're looking at the pre-market, see what's bidding higher, and then you go over to Finviz, and you have a look and see what the float is. On KXIN, they only had 1.09 million shares in the float. So, when it was $4, well, the move started at $1 and it ran to over 12. And it was very easy to push it with only a million shares. So, $5 million when it was at $5, that bought the entire float. So you get the algorithms, the day traders, the momentum players, and then you got the stupid shorts trying to top tick this shit, and they get their ass handed to them. So the key is understanding these are not buy and hold plays. They're good for a few days. This KXIN, it ran on absolutely no news. So, these are China plays. There's a lot of games that come out of China. We don't recommend people getting in, falling in love with any Chinese play and becoming a buy and hold, but rather, trade the momentum and follow your style of investing. Another the big winner for our buy and hold folks this year has been NIO. We've been following NIO since June. Most of our subscribers that were with us back then, they got in at $6, ran to 27. They're looking at almost 300% gains. We actually are even further bullish on NIO. We think it could hit $100 next year. The reason being, this is the Chinese Tesla. They are dealing with some manufacturing constraints right now, and we think that next year they'll open up the floodgates, get those manufacturing constraints removed, be able to produce, meet demand. And based on the numbers that Tesla's doing, if you do a comparison, this stock should be trading around 100 if they're able to meet their goal of 150,000 vehicles per year. It's a big if, but so far they've been executing, and we don't doubt the chairman, William Li. He is considered by many to be the Elon Musk of China, so he's not someone we want to bet against. Following up, let's see what else we got here that we are looking at. We'll be focusing again, looking for some more low float plays this year. This week to get going. After KXIN, we did well with LYL, EVK, and Marin, MRIN, which was another low float runner. On OTC, CBBT was a good winner. We're also looking, CYDY will be having some data coming out. We've been told possibly on Monday, so we'll be covering that, watching that for our subscribers. But right now, in the pennies, the low flow plays are working. CBBT, NWBO, and that's what we're looking at and we're going to be focusing on this week. So just wanted to give everyone a quick update. Wish everyone the best of luck, make some money, and for all the latest on your number of top penny stocks you're covering, give us a follow at insiderfinancial.com. If you're interested in signing up for alerts, you can sign up on one of the pop-ups or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. We're also on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. Give us a follow. Wish everyone the best of luck and thank you. And let's all make some money this week. Again, this is Alex Carlson, Editor in Chief of Insider Financial. Take care and be well.